In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Descript to edit your videos, transcribe your videos, generate SRT files for your videos, and edit your videos and clean them up. Let's jump in. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take your podcast, your YouTube videos, any type of videos to create a blog post, transcription, and social media edits. We are starting off here with Descript, and you're going to click New Project. Let's keep my drive, create project. Okay, now we need to drag and drop our audio or video to transcribe. I'm going to go and grab my video. You have three ways to do it. You simply drag your file here, you choose file, or you hit the plus symbol here to insert your file. We are just uploading. We're just going to wait for that to transcribe now. Everything has loaded up. It took about 30 seconds for this 5-minute video. The first thing we're going to do is get rid of filler words, words you use, and mine is so, and all those kinds of things. You will be aware of your filler words. We're going to come up here to the menu and we're going to click on edit, and we're going to select filler words, and I'm going to go here with text and type, and we can see here it has highlighted. I'm just doing a space so we don't get somebody. Let's have a look here at the first one. That can totally go. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit delete, and then when I press play, like, I'm going to just press the space bar. This works for a variety of different. It gets rid of it from the actual video as well. Let's take a look at the second one. So I just selected right before it. I'm going to hit the space bar. So what we're going to do is come down to our... Again, that can go. I'm going to hit delete. What we're going to do is come down to our... That sounds a lot better. Next, we're going to go... So all website data, go. Again, that is not needed. I'm going to highlight it, click delete. All website data goes. Again, we're just going to do the last one, and then I will go through the rest. So you just use it. So that one is fine to leave. So whatever's after the /. And again, that can come out. I'm just going to go through here and make the edits. Now you can see there is only 3 so's left that actually make sense within our project. There is one edit that I spotted that will need to change. When I hit play here, the next step, it should say so at the next step, and here we have so then add the next step. I will highlight this text here, and then I'm going to right click on it. I can do correct here, or I highlight it and then I can do overdub. If I want to change it, if I had a mistake with what I said, I can overdub it. It will be the correct version. Highlight it here, and then we're going to hit correct. I can get rid of this. Let's come back here. Add the next step. And that is fine. The next thing I suggest you do is just, if you're going to repurpose the content for video, you want to make sure that there's no long pauses in here. So you're going to come up to edit and remove filler words, and from the drop down you're going to select word gaps, and then you can select like word gaps that are longer than 2 seconds. Hit return, or 1.5. Let's see what's in there for 1.5. We can have a look. You just click on it on the left hand side. Okay, we can see the gap here is I was just waiting for the screen to come up. I'm going to be editing the video part of this content. It's a good idea to remove that. Okay, we're going to go down the bottom here and select the blade, and I'm going to go from here to here where we can see the dead silence. Then you're going to right click and delete. If we go up here and we press play, let's select the mouse symbol again. Let's hit here. Up here. So we're inside our Google Analytics here. Even for the actual video editing, it's a good point to edit your video also in Descript. You're getting rid of all your transition keywords, dead space, and overall sound of your video so that the end user has a better experience. If we're now just going to have a look at one more example here. Yeah, you can see the dead space here of 3.5 seconds. Come down here, select our blade tool. We're going to start from here to here. We're going to delete. Let's listen to that. Now let's pop this in here. And then so much better. Next you just want to do is run through your actual format here to make sure it is reading okay, it's listening okay, and then you want to hit publish depending on what you want to take from here. If you're wanting to just take the words, you're going to export and then you're going to say text, which will give you all the text, or if you want to actually take the updated video, you're going to do it here. Another nice bonus of using Descript is you can actually use it to generate SRT. That's your captions or your subtitles. If you're coming up here to export to subtitles, and then you can get your subtitles. This is a great way to be able to use Descript to get your transcriptions and generate your subtitles, which is also saving you money from using other sources to do that. And you can also see here that you can do video text titles, which will help you embed the subtitles onto the video. That is just an added bonus that you get here with Descript. For more tips like this on how to grow your business online, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.